U.S. noise pop duo Sleigh Bells return with ominous new single and Saints, dropped ahead of just-announced 7-track mini-album Kid Crush of due this November. A minimal beatless mix of strings, arpeggiated synth and yearning vocals, and Saints ratchets up the tension to an epic climax before fading back into the night. It's an almost painfully teasing track that conjures widescreen images of gothic drama, hinting at a somber direction after last year's bombastic Jessica Rabbit album. Sleigh Bells' upcoming 7-track mini-album Kid Crush will be out Friday the 10th of November.